Today I'm going to show you how you can make money with InVideo and YouTube on Autopilot. Yes, you heard that right. You can generate a steady stream of income with minimal effort, leveraging the power of these incredible tools. Imagine completing a month's worth of work in just a couple of hours with zero effort. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Follow these 7 simple steps to turn your passion into profit. First, identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you enjoy doing? This is crucial because your enthusiasm will shine through in your content, attracting more viewers. Next, research your niche thoroughly. Understand what your audience is looking for and what kind of content resonates with them. Use tools like Google Trends and YouTube Analytics to gather insights. Step 3 is planning your content. Create a content calendar to organize your ideas and schedule your uploads. Consistency is key to building a loyal audience. Step 4, create high-quality content. Invest in good equipment and take the time to learn basic video editing skills. Your content should be engaging, informative, and visually appealing. Step 5, edit your videos using InVideo. This platform offers a wide range of templates and tools to make your videos look professional without spending hours on editing. Step 6, optimize your videos for search engines. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to increase your visibility on YouTube. Finally, Step 7, promote your videos. Share them on social media, engage with your audience, and build a community around your content. The more you interact with your viewers, the more loyal they will become. And don't forget to check out the link in the description for a special 50% discount on InVideo subscriptions. This is a fantastic opportunity to get started with professional video editing at a fraction of the cost. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey to financial freedom today with InVideo and YouTube. With dedication and the right strategy, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture. First, let's talk about finding your niche. This is the initial and one of the most important steps in your content creation journey. A niche is essentially a specialized segment of the market for a particular kind of content. It's where your passion meets the needs of your audience. Using ChatGPT, you can brainstorm and discover a niche that you're passionate about or one with high demand for video content. ChatGPT can help you generate ideas by analyzing trends, suggesting topics, and even providing insights into what viewers are currently interested in. This tool can be incredibly valuable in narrowing down your options and finding a niche that not only excites you, but also has the potential to attract a substantial audience. This is crucial because choosing a niche that excites you and attracts viewers will set the foundation for your success. When you are passionate about your niche, it shows in your content, making it more engaging and authentic. Additionally, a well-chosen niche helps you stand out in a crowded market, giving you a unique voice and perspective. It also makes it easier to build a loyal audience who shares your interests and values. So take your time, explore different possibilities, and use tools like ChatGPT to guide you in finding the perfect niche for your content creation journey. Once you've found your niche, it's time to generate 30 video ideas. ChatGPT can provide you with these ideas related to your chosen niche. These will serve as the backbone for your video content, ensuring you have engaging videos ready for an entire month. Now let's dive into the exciting world of video creation using InVideo. This powerful tool is designed to make your video production process smooth and efficient. Start by brainstorming your video ideas. Whether it's a promotional video, a tutorial, or a social media post, InVideo has got you covered. Take each video idea and use InVideo to bring it to life with ease. You can even ask ChatGPT to generate a script for each idea. Simply input your concept, and ChatGPT will provide you with a well-structured script, saving you the hassle of writing it yourself. Once you have your script, InVideo can seamlessly transform this text into a captivating video. Import the text into InVideo and watch as it works its magic, turning words into engaging visuals. This seamless process saves you hours of work. With InVideo, you can focus on your creative vision while the platform handles the technical details. From script to final cut, InVideo streamlines every step, making video creation a breeze. Explore a wide range of templates that cater to various themes and styles. Whether you're looking for something professional or fun, InVideo's extensive library has something for everyone. Customize these templates to fit your brand and message. Add text, images, and music to make your video truly unique. The intuitive interface ensures that even beginners can create stunning videos. Once your video is ready, export it in high quality and share it across your social media platforms. InVideo makes it easy to reach your audience with professional-looking videos. Experience the joy of seeing your ideas come to life with InVideo. Start creating today and take your video content to the next level. Adjust the length of your videos to suit your target audience. Shorter videos around 4 to 5 minutes are perfect for younger viewers, while longer videos, 20 to 30 minutes, cater to older audiences. Tailoring your content ensures better engagement. InVideo offers high-quality voiceover options, or you can record your voice for 30 seconds and upload it. InVideo will use your voice for the videos, adding a personal touch that makes your content more relatable. Next, upload and schedule your videos on YouTube. Create a new YouTube channel related to your niche, upload the 30 videos, and schedule them to be published over the next 30 days. This ensures your channel has daily content without the need for constant uploads. Finally, scale your efforts by repeating the process to create multiple YouTube channels. Imagine having 100 channels, each generating income through ads and monetization. The possibilities are truly endless. Start using invideo-io today and change your life. Click the link in the description to get a 50% discount on your subscription with our special link. Join now and transform your YouTube journey. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your success stories using InVideo and YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.